Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through the menu navigation in my KTM Adv 390 motorcycle. So let's start. So I'm turning on the vehicle. So this is how the menu shows up. And by default, it will show you the standard view. So for my setting, I have set the functions as the time the bike has ridden, the phone connectivity, the trip distance so far, and the average speed, followed by the gear position indicator, the ABS, the traction control, the speed limiter, which I have manually turned it on at 65 kmph, the battery and other status, and here is the time. So next I will show you how to navigate through the menu. So these are the navigation buttons that you get. So by default, if you click the center button twice, it will take you to this particular screen where you can configure your motorcycle changes. So first option is the ride mode here. So there are three ride modes that are available: the street, the off-road, and the rain one. So I generally prefer to keep it at street mode, but from time to time I do try out the off-road mode just to have a bit more fun on the road. Next option is the configuring the street. So basically here you can choose how much control you want to have on the ABS. By default, it will be set on the road mode, but you can also change it to off-road mode where the rear ABS is turned off. Next is the motorcycle traction control, which by default will be turned on, but you can also turn it off. Next is the quick shifter. Similarly, like the empty, this can be also toggled on and off. And then the display mode. So basically one is the standard one and one is the reduced one, which is a very bare basic one. I generally keep it on standard mode, but again, it's up to the person how he or she wants to keep it. Next, we have the bike info. So basically it will show you all the information on this bike, the trip on, trip to, the fuel range, the coolant temperature, the battery stage, the odometer reading, the clock and date, which you can set, the service interval, and if any warnings are there. Right now, since the side stand is already folded out, so that's why this warning sign has been shown. Next part is the cruise control of this motorcycle. So basically, this is the cruise control key here. If I'll just zoom in up. So basically, this is the cruise control key here that we have. So right now, if I go to the cruise control mode, so right now I have kept the cruise control mode as speed control, but you can also turn it on between speed control and cruise control. But since right now I'm mainly riding into the city traffic, so I have kept the speed control mode on and set the limiter at 65 kmph. The last part is the motorcycle settings. So here you can see lots of options that are available. You can select your favorite screen, the quick selector buttons, the custom switch. So basically, I have kept my custom switch to switch between the different ride modes. The motorcycle connectivity, which is not yet enabled for my vehicle. The shift light, how you want the shift light to behave, but right now it is not available below 1000 kilometer. The clock and date function, the units, the language, and any extra functions like call, audio, turn-by-turn navigation, quick shifter, and remote control. The turn-by-turn navigation is not yet being activated from the KTM, and that will require a future software update on all the vehicles.